this actually works and it's super crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get Video Star, all the premium pro features for free. So this is actually Video Star mod right here. And let me just show you guys, as you can see in the settings, it says want to unlock all pro features, but it's very bad. It's $24, $29 for a year. But as you can see, we have dev mode, which is lifetime, and it's $0. So this is only in the Video Star mod. So I'm going to press continue, and as you can see, it says contacting store. So let's see what happens. So bang, dev mode activated, all pro features unlocked. Cool, we got everything unlocked, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So let's get into the video. So what you want to do is open up your phone and just type into the search bar tweakmod.com. okay, so when you come to this page right here, just go to the search bar and you want to type in Video Star. Okay, and you should see it right there. So press install, and now it's going to start downloading. So before it downloads, guys, there is going to be one more step. It's really simple. It's just a verification. So what you need to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions, 100% free from an official app store, guys. So there's no third-party app store downloads occurring here. This is all straight up on the app store, which is obviously very nice, because you know there's people out there and they're like, oh, like, you know, I don't want to download something because it's from outside the app store. But no, guys, this is going to be straight from the real app store. So as you can see, guys, it says missing files, so we need to download some of these, right? It doesn't have to be the same ones as me, but you just want to make sure you download 2 of them. So you can see up there it says complete 2 free apps. So for instance, Lucky Match, a game where I need to be level 11. Okay, so I download the game and I download it and I reach level 11. Pretty straightforward. Then there's, you know, Evertail. I got to stay on the game for 30 seconds. That's really easy. You can set a timer if you're not sure if you've been doing it for 30 seconds. But basically, it's pretty easy to get Video Star Pro in 2025. At this point, no one should be using a computer or jailbreaking because they can do it straight from their phone.